Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing how to make some healthy snacks. I carefully choose these four because they are easy to make, healthy and nutritious, full of fiber that's good for digestion. First, fried banana in coconut oil. I love bananas since I was a kid, and as I go on eating healthy, I discovered that I can make twists to the typical banana queue with healthier ingredients options. You just have to prepare a mixture of coconut sugar and cinnamon with a little nutmeg. Taste like cinnamon banana, they're absolutely delicious. This is my new favorite snack and it's so freaking good. Start by draining and rinsing, then drying your chickpeas. I dry them by placing clean dish towel and patting them dry. There's so many different flavor combinations you can do. If you want spicy, you can add cumin and chili pepper. You can make them sweet. You can add some liquid sweetener and add some cinnamon and nutmeg. But today I added some garlic powder, salt and pepper, cumin, and some olive oil. You just roast this for 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. When they get out from the oven, they will be really crunchy. This is a good alternative for chips. Next, homemade sweet potato fries. Cut your sweet potatoes into wedges. Add olive oil and your seasoning, and then straight to the oven. Very easy and healthy. I was looking for the orange organic sweet potatoes, but I couldn't find any. So I tried this one and surprisingly this kind tastes better. Lastly, avocado toast, one of my favorite things in the world. Who doesn't love avocado? You can eat it for any meal of the day. Avocado in the Philippines is usually eaten with sweeteners or as dessert, but I mostly enjoy it in a very healthy way. I watched a vlog recently and I was really intrigued by it. I haven't tried it before. They called it Kylie Jenner toast. I was really shocked because it was really good. So on your toasted bread, you're gonna mash up your avocado and you're gonna squeeze some lemon juice and drizzle on some nice quality of honey, and then last but not the least, a sprinkle of sea salt. I'm telling you, this combination, it tastes really good. And that is what I've been eating lately. I hope you guys enjoyed and I give you some healthy snack ideas. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video.